These are the materials we'll be using to make our Jacob's Ladder toy. You'll need a piece of wood 15 inches long by 1.5 inch wide and a 1/4 inch thick. You can also use a 3/8 inch thick board if you prefer. You'll need a measure and a pencil for marking. You'll need some ribbon. I have 3 pieces of ribbon here, each 30 inches long. It's a little bit longer than we need. Traditionally, 2 of the strips are the same color and 1 is a separate color, but you can choose any color ribbon that you want. And you want to use a strong ribbon like a gross grain ribbon that I have here, or like this heavier ribbon. You want to stay away from the satin ribbons. They're not really strong enough for this toy. Also, you can use a webbing if you want, but I think the ribbon is prettier. We're going to be painting our toy, and I have some acrylic craft paints and some paint brushes. You'll need a little bit of craft glue, some sandpaper. I'm using a 180 grit paper. You'll need a miter box or something to cut your wood. Sometimes you can even get your wood cut at the lumber yard and you won't need this. But a miter box like this is a handy tool to have around in the house. You'll need a hammer and some little nails. These are 1/2 inch nails with a flat top. It's important to have the little flat top because it holds the ribbon down. And you want as thin a nail as possible to avoid splitting your wood. These are 1/2 inch nails.